If you're searching for a reliable and fast way to send money to India, Remitly might be the perfect choice. With millions of users globally, Remitly is known for its secure platform and competitive exchange rates. Let's break down how Remitly money transfer to India works, including the transfer limit and charges involved. Remitly allows users to transfer money to India using their mobile app or website. You can send funds from countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and several others directly to Indian bank accounts or as cash pickups. Visit www.remitly.com to create an account and start your transfer. The process is simple. Enter the recipient's details, choose a delivery method, either bank deposit or cash pickup, and confirm the payment. Remitly offers different transfer limits based on the country you're sending from and your verification level. For example, in the United States, Tier 1 allows you to send up to $2,999 within 24 hours. Tier 2 increases this limit to up to $6,000 per day with additional verification. Tier 3, well, the limits can go even higher, but this depends on completing full identity verification and your usage history. Hey, so for the most updated information tailored to your country of residence, just visit Remitly's Help Center. It's super easy and really helpful. Remitly provides two main delivery options, Express and Economy. So let's talk about Express first. With Express, your money is delivered within minutes. It's super quick. It uses your debit or credit card and includes a small fee, usually around $3.99 to $4.99. Now let's move on to the Economy option. With Economy, the money is delivered in 3 to 5 business days. It's a bit slower, but transfers are cheaper or even free, especially when you're paying through a bank account. Oh, and here's something important to note. Exchange rates on Remitly vary, but they're usually better than what you'd get from traditional banks. Plus, you can preview the rates and fees live on Remitly's app or website before confirming the transfer. Whether you're looking for speed or savings, Remitly helps you send money to India in a way that fits your needs. Pretty convenient, right? Just a quick reminder before we wrap up. For the most accurate fees, current exchange rates, and regional limits, always check www.remitly.com before sending. It's always good to stay updated.